Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Christina. Today I'm going to do a science experiment with vinegar and baking soda. And then I have my bottle. So what we're going to do is we took 1/3 cup of vinegar and poured it inside your water bottle and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I've already put the baking soda inside my balloon. I wonder what's going to happen when I put this balloon on top of this bottle. Let's find out. So I'm going to securely put my balloon on top, and then I'm going to lift it up and slowly, oh my goodness, oh, look what happens. Whoa. Wow, check it out. And it's all done. The more vinegar that you put in, the higher your balloon will blow up. Try this at home. Send us some pictures if you like it. Thanks. Until next time, we wish you well.